What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you are watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Here I am sharing 2 minutes mug cake recipe, super soft and rich eggless mug cake. For chocolate mug cake, in a mug add all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, sugar 3 tablespoons, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, 3 tablespoon oil or butter, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, milk 3 tablespoon, add chocolate chips 2 tablespoon and mix everything together. Add dark chocolate sprinkles. And to make vanilla mug cake, in a mug add Maida 4 tablespoon, sugar 3 tablespoon, one-fourth teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoon of oil or a butter, melted butter, 3 tablespoon milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything together. Bake the cake for about 2 minutes 5 seconds on microwave settings. After 2 minutes, my delicious mug cakes are ready to serve, and hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. Keep smiling, take care, bye bye.